Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. At first, import your video to the timeline. For example, we want to add text here. Now select the type tool from the toolbar. It looks like a T. Click on the program monitor and start typing your desired text in the text box. You can also copy and paste text from another source. In the Essential Graphics panel, you can customize the text properties like font, size, color, alignment, and more. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.